What happens if Unum terminates your long-term disability payments after 2 years? Hello, I'm attorney Ben Glass. Got a national practice representing claimants in long-term disability insurance claims, all from around the country. And the 2-year mark is an important mark with most of these Unum policies. It's where the definition of disability changes. So for the first 2 years, they'll protect you and pay you benefits if you can't work at your own occupation, the type of work that you did at the time you became disabled. After 2 years, under most of these policies, the definition of disability changes, and they're only going to pay you if you can't work at, quote, any occupation. And so that's a much higher bar. So if they've terminated you after 2 years, it's usually because of the change in definition. What do you need to do? Well, first you need to consult with an experienced long-term disability insurance attorney, someone who's actually litigated cases, not just written appeals, not someone who's not a lawyer who's just written appeals, any of that. You want experience on your side. That lawyer is going to work with you and your doctors to be able to demonstrate if it's true that you cannot work at a full-time basis at any job that would pay you approximately what the insurance company is paying you. It gets a little more complicated than that when you have a consult with us. Of course, every contract is different, so we'll explain your disability insurance contract too, but that's generally the framework. We've been very successful in keeping our clients on claim after the first 2 years because I've got a proactive claim unit that does nothing but help keep claimants on claim, particularly after that 2-year period, all the way through the life of their claim. Again, if you're thinking about hiring a law firm, ask them if they have a team whose job is solely to help keep people on claim. My team will go through it with you. They'll work with your doctors, they'll get the documents, they'll talk to vocational rehabilitation experts, and they will help frame your story. They will help tell your story to the disability insurance company, and if benefits are deserved and the insurance company still says no, we will march into federal court and we will litigate your case for you. So that's what you need to ask any lawyer who you're talking to if your benefits have been denied. Also, just remember this, there's a time limit. Once your benefits have been denied, you typically have 180 days to put together a full appeal. Don't just write, I appeal. That's what they want you to do, but that's not what you should do. You need to file you and your law firm team need to file a robust appeal with arguments and testimonials and narratives and medical records and legal arguments and all that. Most of our appeals are 25 to 30 or 40 pages long. We do really good in-depth work. Again, that's not a guarantee about your case. Each case is different. We're really selective on the cases that we take. But if you've been denied, reach out to us. You can go to freedenialletterreview.com or go over to BenGlassLaw.com. Give us your denial letter. We'll analyze it for free. We'll be in contact with you, and we will tell you how you can begin to work with me and my team.